Vaishalee. Today I'm going to teach you a cottage cheese recipe which can be stuffed in a bun. It's an excellent meal for breakfast or to carry along to office or to give your children as a packed meal for school. So let's see what are the ingredients. We need chopped onions, tomatoes, green capsicum, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, some chili powder, some turmeric powder, salt and oil. And of course you need the buns and the cottage cheese. Put the gas on and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add the onions and saute till they are pinkish in color. We will now add the green peppers, give it a stir and add the tomatoes. Giving a very nice aroma already. I love the fragrance of capsicum. We will now add the yellow peppers and the red peppers. Cook it for a minute. We'll now add some chili powder, add some turmeric and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it up well. Lower the flame and add the cottage cheese or paneer. I have not overcooked the capsicum, red peppers, yellow peppers. It's got a slight crunch as yet. You don't need to overcook the paneer or cottage cheese either. Just a 30 seconds is enough. As you can see, the cottage cheese is now ready and I've turned off the flame. We are going to take a nice long bun. You could take a round bun as well. This is a multigrain bun, which is healthier option than going in for a flour or processed flour bun. You're going to spoon this mixture into the bun. So enjoy trying this recipe. I'm sure your children will love it.